My name is Georgia Kanaki. I am from Greece. I just finished my last year of my bachelor's degree in criminology and criminal justice. I don't come from an affluent family. I struggled even coming here. It was really hard initially, financially, for my family. But they really did want to support my dream to go to university. When the pandemic hit, it got much harder to financially support myself, and that's how I initially started researching about the hardship fund. I started drawing when I was really young. As I grew up, I started being aware of my family struggling financially. So it became a very effective coping mechanism for me, and I could completely forget about everything. The hardship fund definitely took a lot of stress away from me. At that time, it felt like the biggest burden had been just lifted off my shoulders, and I felt more confident in asking for help. If I hadn't got this grant, I would have possibly dropped out because I didn't have anywhere else to go. So the fact that the grant was there to help me get back on my feet definitely changed my life and is the reason why I'm still here. I've finally had the ability to kind of enjoy my last year of university without thinking so much about, am I going to have money? Am I going to do this? Am I going to do that? So my life has changed and my mindset has definitely changed after the fund. Everybody who has donated to the hardship fund, I am extremely grateful to every single one of you, although you're anonymous. And you are the reason why I have managed to finish university, and I am ready to go on and possibly achieve more goals in my life. So I am extremely, extremely grateful to every single person.